Hi everyone, a very good evening. I hope my voice is audible perfectly, right? Could you please acknowledge that if my voice is audible? I'm just wishing that any one of you is going to get a kind of an acknowledgement regarding this, right? I can see that few people have joined it. But I guess like okay, people can actually just get it acknowledged. I know yesterday it was just disconnected. I would say it got hang actually. I won't say disconnected, but it got hang. So that's the reason it just cut down in the between. I couldn't able to just wrap up the things. Okay, but no problem. Those who have missed the attendance form for the yesterday, I'll just check it out if possible for it. Like okay, we will just have a look onto it, right? Okay, don't worry about it. Now, okay, there is one. I would say today we are starting with our today's agenda regarding how we generally go for the automation systems, right? Okay, generally we go with a certain kind of an automations, which is a very doable, okay, very much required into the certain kind of the logics you maintain, okay, and all. So I'm just waiting for another quick seconds, okay, let the people join, let the audience come towards like okay the original way, okay, and then obviously we're starting with it, okay, we are just getting it beginning on to today's agenda. And today's agenda is quite very interesting, okay, because it's an hands-on and it looks like okay somewhat like yesterday it was all verbally, it was not, it was just getting onto the base of it. What we actually today we're gonna build the pillows, okay. uh yeah, I guess like let's wait for another 1 minute, but if you have any questions let me know, right? So you can just actually let me know about if you have any questions. If you definitely like okay looking forward with something like okay which you feel like okay ma'am today like okay are we doing it so and so things, obviously yes, why not, right? But what is today's agenda? It is basically oriented with like how the marketing automation with the AI you can go with a comprehensive guide, and then we will be obviously starting with uh, the entire way. So today we will break down how the AI is being transforming the marketing from just saving the time to scaling the outreach and improving definitely the conversations, okay, what is exactly it's being there. And this is not only just in conversations are being there, this is also the conversion of how do you improve the things out, right? By the end you will exactly know how to automate and how to begin with certainly like the sequences of it, right? The point is very clear. Have a look onto it, point I have just written, and make sure you do not leave the class until or unless you fill your attendance sheet, and also you get to know some very practical things all around, right? We are not here to just speak, right, okay, or just to listen that okay what we are doing it, but we are here to go with the practical orientation about the intention power we wanted to just take, right? Whether it's kind of like okay with the tools with the practical implementations or the AI product driven tools, okay, what we have to start with it, right? So doesn't matter with it, okay, I can see that okay a lot of people are being there now, okay, on our original stream. Yeah, I think we should begin. Now, why only the AI is being getting it marketing? Why I'm not gonna say like ML is also being there? What is not? I'm just saying that okay, the ML is being getting it the professional way of the automated discovery planning, right? Is the Amazon recommendation engines are being definitely there? Obviously. Now you search Amazon, right? You will get the multiple kind of the links oriented with that, and that links are probably being given to you, right? I want it, I'm gonna type Amazon, right? I'll get a website, the official website of it. And over here, if let's say if I wanted to purchase a headphones, right? Let's say if I wanted to purchase an headphones. So if I'll write in okay into that input search box just for the headphones, I'll get the multiple variety of the companies of the headphones on a one place, whether it's in JBL, Boat, okay, Potronics, Zebronics, okay, a lot of it, okay, that's Apple, okay, Marshall, okay, exactly. I would get the numerous of the results, okay, over there. But it depends upon me, okay, which features I'm liking it, right? Okay, which features I wanted to just start with it. I am pretty sure about it. Like you people also do what? Whenever you wanted to purchase any electronic item, okay, or anything like that. First of all, you search for it. You will get the results, okay, over here as an of the output what you wanted. But then you will definitely compare the one product with the two, right? Okay, over there. And the moment you get satisfied with it, with the features it includes, the compatibility you are being looking forward, and also like okay, isn't like okay the recent the trending, okay, or not. So each and everything, okay, you wanted to get it personalized with, right? So marketing has become too fast. None of the company is being there who does not show their product onto the website, onto their app, or like okay they have done the marketing. Let's say I am making I would say a laptop company, let's say, where I wanted to sell the laptop, the multiple variety of the laptops, right? What I'll be probably doing it is, first of all, I'll be featuring the best of my laptop on my website, right, starting from I would say the cheapest laptop towards my most expensive laptop, right? So this is a massive scale I'll be getting it, right? So this is the marketing which I'm just doing it. Everyone is not gonna purchase the I would say the expensive products, okay, or anything like that. Everyone is not that comfortable with an expensive products and all. Let's say there is a person who, okay, who wants just a medium level of laptop, okay, and all. So what exactly that person is going to do is, the marketing has been become too fast, too data heavy, as well as the personalized to manage manually, right? AI just literally gives you the speed, the real time diversions, okay, the automated kind of a content. You might have listened about it. When you search for one product, every single way you find that product, okay, coming to your ads, coming to your Google ads, okay, or might be a YouTube ads, okay, Instagram, okay, when you're surfing, Facebook, every single time you will be seeing either that product or either that product which is being related towards it. So AI is that fast. The intelligent communication system is being there for the marketing automation, so it will reduce or it will remove the repetitive kind of the workloads freely, as per the strategy you are maintaining and the creativity it has, correct? Now one of the key things, okay, it's being there, ma'am, where we are gonna perform this, right? Obviously, like you have that particular kind of the question from me. So obviously the content creation, nowadays the content creators are being there, they use the best kind of a content to reach to the audience, right? Okay, what the audience is being getting a demand for. So AI helps you out to create, right? It is exactly the blocks, the captions, the email copies, or the variation, even about the full landing pages, right? Let it be as an of the marketing, okay, I'm just going to go with the marketing, let's say. What is probably I'm gonna do it as email marketing, it's being there, let's say, right? AI creates the personalized email based on to the user behavior. Let's say if I'll say I wanted to keep the tone very softly with very like okay professional tone, vivid, okay, and all, and then I need to send the message on the email ID, right? So what it is going to tell, like okay, it will ask you like okay which either tools, okay, you are using, right? What exactly the tools are being there, whether it's in ads, whether it's in email IDs, okay, whether it's in social medias, okay, and all. So I hope all of you people has been clear about this onboarding sequence, okay, we have discussed yesterday, okay, we have probably I would say discussed onto this, like how do we basically go with certain kind of an ads, correct? So ChatGPT or either Cloud, Mailchimp, Zapier, Notion, Active Campaigns, and the HubSpots. HubSpots is very good. Okay, definitely it's a very good one. Okay, but how to use it? How exactly the ad copy automations are being there? How do you go with the scaling of the creative kind of a productions? Correct. AI generated email IDs best. Then it is automated follow ups sequence, a very good multi stage email sequence filtering of it. But it is not like that until or unless you definitely wanted to go with, certainly with the either any kind of like, okay, the parts or anything like that. No. Now do one thing, open the chat gpt, please, everyone. uh, and I would be saying you one thing, please work along with me, right? Okay, please work along with me. I have opened the chat gpt, correct? Okay. um for many people chat gpt is like their best friends. Okay, I will definitely say it is being there, the chat gpt. They think like, okay, if nothing is being getting on to like, okay, our variant, so let's just not waste our time and put everything or make everything workable onto the chat gpt, correct? Okay, they think so, that they definitely think so, like, okay, it does not act like that, correct? Okay. Now what it happens is, okay, over here, automation everyone needs, but what I'll do it is, I'll make it a prompt, okay. Let's say I wanted to create the social media post for the Instagram about any topic, including the captions and the hashtags and all, right? Okay, I just wanted to go ahead with that, right? Now what I'll do probably, okay, or what exactly I have, okay, over here is like, okay, how I'm just getting it generated, right? Now what I'll be doing it as, let's say if I'm just writing one any topic, let it be, this is the topic name of it, about um kind of what we should write it. Okay, let it be programming languages or tech tools, tech uh, tools, okay, somewhat like that. Or you can also write it accessories, correct? Okay. Or objects, okay, let it be the objects, right? Now what is exactly going to happen? Okay, I'll also open the Google Sheets. Okay, I'll also open Google Sheets. Okay, a blank one I'll open, right? uh Now what it exactly going to happen? Okay, just a minute. Now in this, if you see, the tables are being there, okay, and also you can make it the tables. Over here also we have the try Gemini, right? Okay, I'll show you this also, which is being there. Now I have written a full plan which exactly I need to go with, right? Okay, number one, let me just split, okay, the current tab, okay, like this, right? That would be really good for you, right? Now what exactly is going to happen? uh, I have typed this kind of this prompt, okay. Now let's say if I have written, okay, like this, okay, and I wanted that, okay, the columns could come, one is going to be your day, another one should other be, okay, it should cut about the caption, okay, the third one it should be in a hashtag, okay, image some sort of data, okay, and the date, okay, somewhat I've just written like this, right? Now I wanted to make it automation ready, right? Obviously I wanted to just go with an automation ready and all. So what I'll be doing it, I'll add one more column, and that column would be your status, okay, or status. Now what exactly I wanted to do ahead? Okay, first of all I have written this. If you see the equipment, the tech object, smartwatch, okay, the daily tech companion, captions and the hashtags are being there, right? Okay, with the descriptions also, right? Then wireless earbuds, music without the limits, so obviously like that's being there. Portable ssd card, smart glasses, okay, the drone camera, ai powered speakers and mechanical keyboards, right? Obviously clicks that inspire the work, right? So that is basically being there, but who knows this is being connected to where, right? Now this is being there, right? Okay, now it has to be made as an of like, okay, as an of like using the Zapier or anything like that. Now what I'll be doing it is, okay, let's say if I have added this, okay, can you, can I okay, I'll say add, let's say, my these details to the Google Sheet I made. Okay, let it be like, okay, I'll show you two different kind of the ways, okay, but let's just have a look on the very first one. Okay, let's say, could you please share the Google Sheet link or tell me where the sheet is stored, okay, so that I can, okay, let's say share, it's not private, okay, skip, is it restricted, no, okay, anyone with the this link, okay, let it be, copy the link, and done. Now do not have an eye on to uh like, is it going to happen or not? No, that's in wrong format. It says I am not, okay, or I don't have the ability to directly open or edit the Google Sheets. However, I can format the content in the way you easily copy or the copy paste into your sheet. Would you like to do it? Let it be yes. Okay. Let it be, I'm just saying it yes. Okay. Now it has given the post numbers, the tech objects, captions, and all. But ultimately, I don't require it like this. I wanted that I should take these columns with me or these tables. These are my headers and make the content according to it. Okay, let it be. Let it be saying. I'm just gonna tell you very simplest one. Okay, sure. Google Sheets. I will add the 7 post. Yes. Right? Now, over here, have a look. Have a look onto this. Perfectly aligned? Yes, obviously. Is it a tailored one? Yes. Okay. Exact headers, okay, it requires. I'll give the exact headers only then. These are the headers, okay. The day, caption, hashtags, and all. Perfect, okay. Day 1, copy paste. Day 2, copy paste. Day 3, copy paste. Day 4, copy paste. And day 5, copy paste. But it shows, okay, this is not aligned. Can I get the table? Get in the table format? Okay, let it be. I'm saying, can I get into the table format? But don't you think, like, okay, you will say, like, okay, ma'am, you are typing it only, right? Okay, there is no benefit of writing it so and so things. If I'll copy this, if I'll remove all from here, and if I'll just put it, okay, right over here, don't you think it's good? Don't you think it's good one? Let me just remove the split. Uh-oh. Exit the, no, don't. Okay, now if you observe this, okay, if you observe this, it is not looking good, right? But what if I'll make it a wrapping or text wrap, okay, over here like this? And what if, right, starting with the text wrap, okay, I will also ask this text to get it format into one condition, either on the left side or either on the right side. Okay, vertical alignment into the between. Do I need the alternative colors, okay, over here? Obviously yes. I'll say this colors, okay, are required. Here we go. Now don't you think it's looking good as preface, like manually we are putting it? Don't you think, like, okay, it's pretty good one? But same thing, we can also do one thing more. As an of status, I can move with the Zapier. Okay, I'll open the Zapier, the automated AI platform. I'll just start with the, okay, the Google, the start free link, sign up, okay, over here with any of it. And the moment I'll just make it the sign up, okay, the moment I'll just go with the sign ups and everything, I'll just make it the continue. Okay, the moment I'll just make it the continue with it will ask you, like, okay, whether why you required, either if you, it is basically for your customer supports or engineer marketing and the HRs, okay, or so and so things, right? I don't wanted to just write it, okay, anything like that. I'll simply just skip actually the questions. um Okay, like this. Now if you when you go to this, okay, it will ask you to create whether you wanted to create the automated tables, interfaces, chatbots, Zap, or the Canvas. I'll preferably go with this particular, like, okay, the Zap. That's basically automated workflows. The moment I'll click over here, there is one rose that's trigger, right? And why I'm just using the triggers, if I wanted to newly add the row into the Google Sheet, so I'll just type it, okay, over here. It will ask you for what reasons, okay, you require it, but I'll probably just select the Google Sheets, okay, over here. Got it. Okay, this is going to click over here. Okay, new rows added into the, okay, Google Sheets would be there. Search for the events and on all. Then there is one more thing, action. Post towards the LinkedIn, or like, okay, the any certain links, okay, and all. I'll also add this particular action, whether I wanted to add it, okay, or not. So if there any app are being there, yes, okay, LinkedIn, if it is there, we will check. It is there actually. Okay, so if you see this LinkedIn, okay, if you wanted to add one more thing, okay, so and so thing, let it be the LinkedIn only. If I'll see Google Sheet trigger events, okay, new or updated spreadsheets, or the pollings, or the new spreadsheet rows and all, okay. Now it will also say you to click, okay, or sign in. I'll probably just going to get it sign in, okay. Choose an events, select all, and just get it continue with it, right? The moment I'll just make it the continue, it will just take my account, okay, it will just take my account and all, and it will probably just tell, like, okay, what exactly we are just doing it, and so things, right? To continue, choose an event, okay, let's just choose an event. uh, New or updated triggers are not modified. Let it be, okay, let it be this one, okay, and continue, right? The spreadsheet, any of it, the spreadsheets, okay, we're gonna take it. I think, where did I, any upcoming one, did I have renamed it? Let me just rename it as an of demo. Okay, select the value of this, okay, I'll just go with this, okay, demo. Let me just check, like, okay, whether I have the demos or not. I should have it, okay. Yeah, obviously got it. Worksheet, any of it, sheet number one. Trigger columns, okay, let it just column D, or the caption, or the hashtags, okay, and all. I'll say status, okay, and continue with it, right? And the moment I'll continue, it will let you know that you're going, the testing of your trigger is being done. Let's test the triggers, okay, over here. So right, starting for what you haven't done it so far towards this, okay, what you are already being doing it, right? Find a new row, nothing. Select the choose, okay, if you see that, okay, I've just clicked it and it is getting a tick mark. I wanted to just put, okay, the action is post to the LinkedIn, okay, and so thing. The moment I'll just go with the LinkedIn, create a share update, okay, or like, okay, create the new update from the company pages, okay, and so things. Okay, it will just tell you that, okay, the sign up, okay, that's basically there. The sign up will only going to happen when you definitely are not sure about what you are doing it, okay, but you are sure what you wanted, okay. So just understand, okay, what I'm just saying. Account type, it will just get it connect with the zeros apps because nothing is required. What type of company, no, 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 no. Refresh, clear the section. Nope, I don't need this one. Let's load just few more. I think I can add one more. You can search, no, 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 just a minute. I guess I should create somewhat else, okay, instead of this. Add error handler. So if you see this, it is getting it an action. If it is getting it success, then it's fine. If it is not, then nothing is going to be there, right? Okay, let me just delete it. Delete, really wanted to delete, yes. I'll add one more, but this time I'll just connect the Google Calendar. Okay, with this I'm gonna create. Okay, choose an event. um Simply add attendee to the this particular way and sign up. Okay, over here once again I'll be just getting it the sign up. Obviously I guess it's already happened, but it will help you to connect. But I am not doing anything, right? Okay, over here I even did not open the Google Calendar. I even did not just make it sure like Google Sheets are being there. Obviously there is basically entire of my accounts are already being getting it connected, right? Okay, the entire of my logics are already being getting it connected and all. So it does not matter like okay what I'm doing it, and does not even makes a sense like okay uh that how we are just going to get it connected, right? Now, right? Now if you see this thing, zap and continue, correct? Right? ANS Gupta, choose an event, select the values of the events, and so things, right? 5 days, okay, the agent AI, anything like okay, you can write it. Uh, Let me check more. Okay, let me just get it check. Okay, view more. Okay, I'm just putting that. Okay, attendance might be anything. Techie Anshika .01 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, to continue, finish the required one. I already have finished. Okay, this thing. Add. Okay, this one. Caption somewhat like that, and that's it. And continue. Test tips. That's it. Done. Skip the test. That's it. Have a look, please, everyone. Please have a look. That would be really good of you. Just a minute. Right? Publish. I am just going to get it published, right? Okay, this one. So all of the zap is going to get it done. Okay, it's just going to get it done onto it. Okay, and it will not will reply until or unless you have something very important. Okay, it will not just go on to the different orientations. Okay, on the different parameters. Just let me know first of all if you have any questions, please. If possible for you, can you just let me know if any questions are being there? Is there any questions to anyone? If you see this thing, this one, it's already being getting connected with the Zapier. Okay, any questions to anyone? Just let me know, please. Anyway, you feel like okay, ma'am, I have been left in so and so things. I'm most welcome to answer these questions of okay of yours. Okay, that would be really good. Come on, guys, let me know, please. Everyone, I'm just waiting for your replies. Okay, I'm just waiting for that. Please let me know. That would be really good if you have any questions. Okay. No questions? Okay. That would be really good. I guess I can just go on to it's Sakshi, Santosh, and it's me, right? Any questions to anyone till here? Anything you wanted to really ask about, or kind of really like okay get on to the things? No questions? Okay, that would be really nice of you. But I guess like if you have any questions, that is much more needed. Okay, much more needed. Exactly, it's not like that. Just a minute. Okay, no problem. So now, what is now? How do you just depend? Okay, or it could look like okay, or whether you wanted to test okay, and so things, right? Show all the fields and all. Um, and also it depends upon what it renders the best. Okay, and also it depends upon what it has, right? But does not matter, ma'am, how we select the things out, right? But the point is, if I am making status as of success, okay, pending. Okay, I'm written as an of like lot the way the pendings are being there. Okay. Now another particularly the orientation okay which was there is if you wanted to offer the email flow, the value of it, the chat GPT there really go with like okay the way. Another one is the MailChimp, first of all. Okay. How many of you have used about the MailChimp? How many of you have been used about the MailChimps and all? Can you let me know? Can you let me know? How many of you really just see uh, that it's required, right? The MailChimp, or you know it. Can you let me know? No one. A very bad. A very bad about it. No one have used it, okay? I think like okay, you people are way more that intelligent that okay, you people have actually you people have actually just used it. Okay, I'm assuming like okay, no one, but okay, no problem. Any alternative of the MailChimp? Is there any alternative? Uh, anyone who have used an alternative of the MailChimp? Yes, please. Can you name it? Yeah, can you please name that? Okay, which alternative you have used it? Okay, so far. Which alternatives? Okay, you have used it. I'm looking forward. Okay, I'm looking forward to your responses. Don't worry. I am actually seeing your responses. Okay, no one has responded back now. Now, if you see, this one is the standard. Okay, the standard of it. But I do not. Even though I don't want it. Okay, to start with anything on a very paid purposes. Okay, I'll just simply make it okay the Google login. Okay, and also you can make your custom email too. Okay, you can definitely make your custom emails. Okay, and all. So you can probably just put your email IDs and just get it login. Now, what is the benefit? Okay, of using it? Let me just keep me login. The login is not associated. I had login at, yeah. Just a minute. Create a new account. I'll create one more new account. Okay. I'll create it. Okay. Okay. So what you are just gonna do it as, if it is being getting it very possibly like okay, you are able to get it login properly once again, you can. Okay, if you are not, but although it is basically tomorrow's work, okay, which we need to do it, not today. Okay, it's definitely not today's. Okay. Correct. Just have a look, please. Right. So now what you are going to do, okay, or what exactly uh, it has, correct, the Mailchimp, the alternative of the Mailchimps, right? Very firstly, what is being the best thing, okay, okay, or what exactly it's being there onto the Mailchimp and all, okay, it depends upon, or it is basically depends upon the three things. The very first thing, okay, let me just tell you. Uh, just a minute. Google Docs, I'll open. The very first thing I'll use it is the Convert Kit, okay, which is being there, the best for the creators and the coaches and all. Okay, now why I am using it? It is just having one reason behind it as okay, this one, that it creates for the email sequences and the funnels, okay, the landing pages and the forms and all clean UI. Number one, okay, which is being there. The number second is basically the Bravo. Okay, it's in Bravo. It's basically the said in blue kind of best for the businesses and all, but obviously you people are not gonna do the businesses, correct? So I am not gonna just recommend this. It's good for the businesses and the e-commerce. Okay, the third one we have is the Mailer Lite, right? A landing page, which is being there. Okay, a landing page which is typically being there and all. Which depends, like okay, which is being there, right? So just have a look onto these three. Correct. Now, what is going to happen with this? The how exactly it will just get it relate. Okay, what exactly? Now, if you when you just get it sign in, na, you receive a multiple of the emails. Okay, you will definitely receive a multiple of the emails and all. Uh, and it is not just fun. Okay, it will just get it onto the drag and drop email builders and all, the automation workflows, the super clean modern interfaces and all. And there is one more. If you just have a look, that is behave. Okay, this is the spelling of it, behave. Okay, or either you can just write it behive. Okay, any of it. Behive is for the newsletters. If you're just going with the newsletters and all, it will just tell you like, okay, which kind of a newsletters, okay, you're writing it. If you wanted to just go with the mailer light, okay, it is just for clean designings and automation itself, okay, it's gonna do the automation. And if you're just going with a brevo, okay, or brevo, okay, it is just for the business. If you're just really looking for the business patterns, okay, if you're just going with the business patterns view of point, okay, and all, okay, you can just start with it. And also there is best for the creators and the coaches and all. Okay, it will just reply back onto it. Okay, creators and the coaches, right? The brevo, the mailer light, the behave. Okay, this is all you wanted to know about it. And four of them is more than enough. But if you wanted to really go with like certainly a very good into the chances, like okay, you can also add the tools like get responses. Okay, again, good for the very automative part. HubSpot, it's an HubSpot free of cost. The CRMs plus if you wanted to go with an email combined, so you can go with this, right? But my recommendation is like okay, to you is if you really are looking forward towards the better a better way, so I will recommend the same to happen but into the different aspects, okay, into the different aspects and everything. This is going to be your benefit, this is going to be your like logics, which you are just preventing it out, right? This is just like okay, your viewpoints, right? Have a look, please let me know if any questions are being there. I would be really happy to address that out. Any questions to anyone? Any questions to anyone? Any questions to anyone? No questions? Very good. But I think the way, okay, you wanted to just go with it, it will be there. Right? So one thing I would request everyone, okay, uh, just type the smarted innovations, okay. You will find this website, okay, obviously. Okay, but just have a look, please. Right? Okay, if you observe this, okay, if you just observe this, there is one option. I'll just tell you all, okay, please put a review. If you see and go with the review, right? Okay, the smarted innovation reviews and all, you can put your overall kind of the boot camps, okay, the courses and everything, correct? Experiences and put like drop your certificates also when you get it. Again, obviously you will get the certificates and all. Okay, your experiences, okay, and everything. And over here, mark your the star ratings, okay, as if you can see that okay, a lot of people are being there, okay, who have dropped their reviews and all, okay, you can definitely go back to their smarter innovations websites, okay, where you will be observing a really good kind of this particular way, uh, a better learning era which starts from here, okay. So obviously you can search. First of all, please open it, if possible. Can you please open the website, please, everyone? Yeah, Santosh Raj. Okay, we have the upcoming. Today we have used a Zapier. Okay, and like okay, we have to go with it, and also we have used the ChatGPT. Okay, over here. So in the upcoming classes, we have to use okay in that only. We have the on upcoming the boot camps, the rest of the 3 days, okay, which we have been left, okay. We're gonna use it. One of them is this one, okay, and another one is your I would say reports, the researches and all. Zapier again, we're gonna do it. The make, okay, make.com, sheets, forms and all. Okay, and all. Right? Please have a look onto this website. Please, first of all, open the Smarter Innovation. Did you open? But when you search, okay, about it, okay, first of all, just open, then I'll tell you what is missing about it. Just a minute. I think your attendance sheet has been coming. Okay, now if you open this website, okay, and if you see like, okay, the smart it, there is a lot of courses which is being there. You can explore these courses, and it's in very, I would say, budget friendly, okay, courses. Right, starting from all of them are being really good as an of the content which is being present, okay, right, starting from the theoretical plus practical and the hands-on with the capstone projects, right. If you really wanted to just go with it and see the description of the programs and all, the key points, the topics, we are just doing it, styling for the css, javascript based, okay, and so till the deployment, okay, we have done it, and the final capstone project, okay, which is being there. Also, like, okay, you can see the data science, uh this entirely, like, okay, the courses, it's prominently very good, okay. It is a way more logically oriented as comparison to what others are providing, but smarted is providing extremely very differently into the orientations, okay. And it's all towards the next level of, like, okay, um this particular way, right? Okay, okay, Saurav, you've already done the review. Okay, that's very good of you. Thank you. Now, if you see that, okay, this particular way, the learnings, okay, the conceptual learnings, okay, and so things, okay, which is already being there. Uh, this way, right? So you can just take their courses, okay. You can definitely just take their courses and all, and just check, like, okay, that what exactly they are being, right, okay, way, right, okay, over there, right. Just have a look, please. And also, you can just go there about all the things, okay. These are the certificates what you will be probably getting it, okay, after ending the courses, an internship of the completion of the internships and everything, correct. Okay, and it is not only as an of in India it's valid, okay, it's valid all of the world, okay. uh it is just not into the one case, it's probably into the all of them, right. I'm all open for your doubts now. Okay, I'm just all open with it. I'm all open with your doubts now. Dropping an attendance sheet with you, and kindly please fill it. Those who are not gonna fill this, okay, to be honest, if I'll say, it's not gonna be valid, okay. The certificates, you will be probably going to get it missed with, okay. You are not gonna get the certificates until or unless you did not fill this attendance sheet, okay, over here. And if you see this, the ambitious people of the smarted, hear from them what they are going to say, and you can definitely take a chance, okay, and definitely take a try onto my way, like, okay, where when I'm saying like, okay, take a try, so definitely take a try. The courses are really good, okay, and you can also avail in their company as one of the campus ambassadors, right? Okay, you can definitely go with either a premium boot camps or the internship partners, okay, and all. You can go with the trusted boot camps again. It's since like, okay, 2015 or 2015s, okay, and all. So it's a very good featured programs are being there, okay, and so thing. Let it just get it reloaded, but I'll show you like, okay, how exactly the things are being there, okay, what all the logics are being there, right? Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm all open for your doubts now. I'm all open for your doubts. Come on, come on, come on. Can you let me know, please? Can you let me know, please? No questions? Okay. Okay, do one thing. Tomorrow, let me just give you one assignment. Not an assignment, I would say. Just a homework, okay. Just try a bit, okay, if possible for you. If it's not possible, then not a problem, okay. That's not even a problem with that. Uh, in this the same only, okay. Do one thing. Make an automation, okay, I'll say. Let it be the automation system with email ID, okay. Okay, automation system. So this is basically how individually it is going to get it at higher, okay, just the point as being there. So this is just going to be provisional, how the automation you're just making it, right? Just like, okay, this one, no need to use these any of it, okay, any sort of uh okay, this one, okay. So you do not have to use any tools like this. Do one thing, go with the Zapier only. Just add any kind of triggers, okay, or any sort of triggers or anything like that, and edit with the Zap. Okay, if you're not liking it, then definitely you don't need to write it, okay, anything like that. If it is not being there, okay, if that's okay, right, okay. If it is not being there and all, right, okay, you don't need to. And you can test the run also, right, okay. Let me just go with the test run and all. Spreadsheet row say test run started successfully, okay. Search the items and so things, right, okay. Data in and data out, okay. So whatever the things would be there, it would be all oriented. And edit, if you wanted to really edit something, okay, you can. But if you do not need to edit anything, let it be, right, okay. Found this one or error, okay, and all, because obviously like Google Calendar has nothing to work with Google Sheets, correct, okay. uh, so I don't think so. Like, okay, it is being basically required a much or a lot. Okay, it's totally fine if it is not being working with any kind of the way. So if you see mechanical keyboard with the RGB is the one column, and then the hashtags are being there, then a lot of things are being there, right? Okay, so you can do this homework. Okay, you can probably try it. Just try to fill the feedback form on the attendance sheet. I'm saying actually, not the feedback, but attendance sheet. Okay, you can probably just try to write it, okay. And yeah, I guess if you wanted to just try to write it, okay, and that would be good, right? Any questions, just let me know. Right, and I'm seeing your responses, okay. Whosoever is making it, okay, whosoever it's being there, I'm seeing the responses, okay. It's all there, do not worry, okay. Right, no problem, okay. I think that's it from my end. If you have anything, let's just discuss about it. No problem, chalo. So that's it. Then I think you can probably go with it. Okay. If any questions would be there, you can let me know. Is that yeah, sure, Santosh. Is that automation can reply to cybersecurity? Obviously yes. Okay. Obviously yes. Okay. There is a lot of tools are being there. Okay. There is like, okay, a lot of like conditional tools and everything. It's being there and all. Okay, which will be probably going to help you out with either just a numerous kind of the working parameters, okay, or if you make some mistakes, right. The automation absolutely like, okay, applies to the cybersecurities with the help of either you are using the tools like Splunk, uh, ELK, okay, XDR or IDS. Okay, there is an highest level of it, so no need to go very deep onto it. But if you know about what is the phishing, okay, what is so and so things and all, then probably definitely yes, right. But no problem. If we get the time on the ending day, okay, I'll show you that too. But do not leave the class, okay, the moment you build your so and so this form, attendance form, okay. And those who haven't filled it yesterday also, I already drop it, okay, in your comment section. So uh, definitely yes, okay. I need to just start with it, right. No questions. You can follow me. Okay, the description, in the description you might find the link, okay, of my LinkedIn profile. And also for the founders and the co-founders, okay, you can definitely find it for them also. So you can just reach out to them if you have any queries or anything like that, and you can also reach out to me if you have any sort of anything, any questions are being there. If you're not able to find my email, this LinkedIn accounts and all, it's there actually. If you see meet your mentor, Anshika Gupta. Okay, so you can just definitely just reach out to me on the LinkedIn. You can connect with me, and I think most of you people are already connected to me, right? Okay, so that's really good, right? No problem. Okay, then thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot, please. Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow. Okay, for it. Thank you, guys. I am just dropping once again the feedback, this attendance line. You can just put it. I'm just gonna pin this. And yeah, I guess that's more important. Thank you, guys.